Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Ai! He kōtare! He kōtare!
Ana, the kōtare is a fearless bird. He manu mā tātoa. It's not wehi, frightened of other birds. Its black beak is quite long, āguaroa, wide, whānui, and tino koi, very sharp.
Āhuaroa, quite long, wide, whānui, tino koi, very sharp.
If they can't find a hollow, rua, in a tree for a nest, kōhanga, they will use their sharp beak to make a tunnel in a bank by a stream.
Kōhanga, nest.
The kōtare is a manu mā tātoa, and he's not afraid to kanikani, dance.
Oh, yay!
Kuarite mai koutou?
Ai!
E tū tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kanikani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai o moena e hoama. Matike, maranga, nenti matatata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka o matino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki I a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e huama? Matike, maranga.
What is that kōtare has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro Tribe. That's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he'll be able to tell you what kōtare gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kaki aka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpai.
Did you enjoy dancing with the kōtare?
Aira!
Miharo, marvelous. I see you've brought something along with you. Do you know what they are?
Aua!
I can see some are different to others. What are some of the āhua shapes you can see?
Some are porofita, round, and some are papatahi, flat.
Ka pai, Tākaro Tribe. It's Some are āhua nui, quite big, and some are tino iti, very small.
Āhua nui, quite big. Tino iti, very small.
If you put them in one, soil, and give them some wai, water, the sun will keep them mahana warm and make them grow. Those are kākano.
Kākano.
Tino pai. Did you know I was a kākano once? And with the help of the sun, te rā, and the rain, te ua, I've grown big and strong, just like you will be one day.
Big and strong, just like Pāpā Rākau. Yay!
Me haro. Marvelous. It's time for us to visit some friends.
Kōwhai, that's my colour. He tapatoru kōwhai.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. Kākano come in all shapes and sizes. What do you think they will grow into? With the help of tamanui te rā, the sun, and the rain, te ua, some will grow into puti puti a tāhua, beautiful flowers, some into huawhenua, vegetables, and some will grow into rākau nunui, great big trees, just like Pāpā Rākau. This is the letter N.
N.
Shall we learn how to write the letter N?
I.
N. First, draw a line down the side, go back to the top, and draw a line down to the right, then straight up again. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down the left side, down to the right, then up the right side. N.
Yay!
Me haru. Amazing. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What did you learn about today?
Kākano.
Kākano. Let's learn to spell it.
K.
Do you think we need a K?
I.
Do you think we need a P?
Cow. Ah.
Do you think we need an R?
I. K.
Do we need another K?
I.
Do you think we need an R?
I. N.
How about a N? Do we need a N?
I.
Do we need an oar?
Aye!
Ka rawe, well done. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it.
Kākano.
What's the first letter of the word Kākano?
Kākano. Ke.
Sino pai. Ke. Now try sounding out the word Kākano.
Ka. Ka. No.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Ka. Ke. A. Ka. Ke. A. No. Ne. O. Kākano.
Did you manage to spell the word Kākano?
Ka. Ka. No. Kākano. Kākano. Yay!
Ka rawe, well done. I knew you could do it.
If you put them in one, soil, and give them some wai, water, the sun will keep them mahana, warm, and make them grow. Ka, ka, no. Kākano.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. For Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe a, kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe a, e pai ai o moe moe a.
Good night!
He mea tau toko nā te māngai.
Pāho.